My name's Ed Newton. I'm the executive director of the Lift Tour. And in John chapter 12, verse 32, the Bible teaches, if Jesus be high and lifted up, He'll draw people unto Himself. And on behalf of Student Leadership University and Lifeway Student Ministries, my aim, my ambition, my direction is not to invite you to a conference, but to join a movement.
What? What?
Lift Tour.
Lift Tour, the ultimate experience.
Lift is a student weekend to exalt Jesus.
Lift Tour changed my life.
Lift is a student weekend
to exalt Jesus.
Lift Tour changed my life.
Experience Scripture.
And to exalt Jesus and experience Scripture.
And equip people like me.
People like me.
Like me.
To be all that God has called me to be.